Hey everybody, this is not Angry Birds Talk Show, and we have just released my name, Firebomb's real name, and Orange Bird's name. But first we'll start with my name. And my name really sucks. It is Al. It really sucks. My name sucks, you hear me? Greenbird Al. Now let's go Firebomb. Now let's go Firebomb.
Okay, now my name is kind of like a weird one because it after fire it's bomb, so yeah, it's bomb.
According to the Daily Guide, it calls it the bomb.
Yeah, I'm Blackbird, just like Blackbird.
This name is also bomb. Your name should have been Space Bomb, but this is not English Talk Show. And I'll start.
Blackbird, what are you doing? Blackbird, what are you doing? Get out of here!
You just grew up. No, he's actually right there. You just did the fake one.
Darn it.
Okay, that's fine. Now it's over at Orange Bird. And my name should have been like Pinkbird, and it's Bubbles. My name should have been a different name, like Puffer. My name should have been Puffer because I puff up.
I know, because you can't
like this! You've got to be kidding me. Get off of me, you stupid!
Boomerang Bird, you gave me squish!
Sorry, Nathan. Sorry.
Not really! Not really, guys!
Bomb's name is not Nathan. It's not Nathan. It's not Nathan. We're just kidding you all. Hey! See? This is your Taco Bell! This is your Taco Bell! I'm telling you!
Guys, it's me, Chuck!
Oh, Chuck.
What are you doing?
Your name should have been Laser Chuck, but it's actually Laser Bird. Should have been named Laser Chuck, because your name is originally Chuck.
Yeah, so?
And anyway,
Look at Boomerang Bird, he's sleeping.
Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just like
Then why did you do that, dude?
Baby.